I figured I'd do a little typing test with Amchat and Hacker's Keyboard. So the message where I post the Ultra's video is going to be what I'm typing. So let's try this out. I don't know how well this will show up, but whoop. Yeah, I'm used to the double tap space period. Okay, now I'm going to type in, this is a test of the emergency broadcast system. Okay, so good thing it's got tap correct. So yeah, not terrible. The quick, brown, lazy fox. If my hand actually can you see? Yeah, okay, that's almost better. Let's see. I'm not a great typer on the computer, so this is kind of how I type on the computer, two hands. Okay, I'm just gonna do two fingers. Dang it. And tap for correct. Okay, so now I will stop the video and upload it and put the URL in this. Goodbye.